Body of 44-year-old woman found in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Linstead 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Linstead 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Linstead 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Linstead 7 TV News Report. The Linstead police in St. Catherine has confirmed that the body of a female which was discovered in bushes in Canefield district, Linstead, St. Catherine, on Saturday, February the 5th is that of a community member, Nicole Satal. Reports are that around 8 a.m., residents in the community stumbled upon the body and summoned the police. Upon the arrival of the lawmen, the body was seen clad in a pink shorts and light-colored blouse. The scene was processed and the body later removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. Investigators have also confirmed that the female was murdered and her body had wounds which what appears to be caused by a knife. The investigation continues. This has been Linstead 7 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.